I see the car driving in the sidewalk like a 50 miles per hour and it hit everybody. And the car is stopping. I think about in 47. And I know they catch the guy, but it's very, very bad. I see the people flying in the street. I see the young girl, she's dead already. And a couple more guys. It's a very bad situation.
There was, a maroon car just careening at high speed, trying to, it seemed like it was trying to hit everybody. It was hitting everybody in the way. There was like people on top of the hoods that were being flown over the sides. And the girl who had been walking next to me before I crossed the street was in a heap on the ground, and she was clearly dead. And it just happened so quickly.